the NuFACE. This is my favorite skincare tool. I'm going to show you how to do a step-by-step routine to get that snatched, gorgeous, lifted face. First, you're going to start with a clean face. Nothing on it because we're going to apply this gel. And if you want, you can add this as a booster and then mix it with a little brush. Use the gel in sections because it does dry down fast. Here's a fun part on the tool. You turn it on. There are 3 settings. I like to use the highest setting, number 3. Do what you want to do. I recommend starting from the bottom up, so I start from my chin. The NuFACE tool is super smart, so it'll tell you when it's time to start again from your chin. Like it'll do like a little silent pause. I like to do each section 5 times because that feels right to me, but you can do as many as you want. Yes. Adding more gel to the center of my face. I'm going to place it in the nasal region, not on my nose though. You're gonna start from the inner cheek and move slowly to the temples. And as you're doing this, you can hold your device medium pressure against your face. I have a pro tip for you. If you feel like your gel is getting dry, go ahead and use this Caudalie mist and then just spray it on your face and it reactivates the gel. And then I like to go to my jawline all the way to my cheek for a little lift. This motion, instant cheek lift. And lastly, the forehead. My trick is just to follow your brow. So you're gonna wanna get the end of the brow to the temple, the center of the brow to your hairline, and then the front of your brow to your hairline here. You can already see an immediate lift on this side. And repeat, baby. What's super important about this device is you have to be consistent. If you want to see those results, keep doing this. Before I finish, I like to do a couple holds under my chin to really sharpen my jawline. And you can either move it or just like hold it here. Aren't I snatched? Look at this lift. All you have to do is remove the gel, apply your skincare routine, and remember, the more frequently you use it, the better the results.